In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the band information. When somebody says the band profile, they're talking about this information down here at the bottom of the screen. They're saying, okay, if the first number value here is the existing ground elevation and the second value on the right is the proposed ground elevation, what it means is for this red line is the existing ground and the blue line is the proposed ground. So at station 11 plus 00, the existing ground at the red line is 124.34. And the elevation at the blue line at station 11 plus 00 is 122.186. Now, when I've taught this before in other classes, this is typically how it is. Existing ground elevation, proposed ground elevation, and station equation. But some of the FDOT plans require it to look a little different like this. So it has existing grade, finished grade, and station equation. So I'm going to switch back and I'm going to make it look like the FDOT. So I'm going to click on, the band profile. On the profile, and go ahead and click on the profile. Right click and go Profile View Properties. Underneath the Bands tab, I'm going to change, right now its style is called Elevation. I'm going to change it to Stations. Apply, and now it looks like the previous one. However, notice that the station equation has the plus value. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So it has the plus value. That's not what we want. We want it to have it without the station. So I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to go Edit Band Style. And notice that it says Stations. It's the major station, so I'm going to compose the label. And up here at the top, the station value. So you see I have the finished grade, existing grade, the station value. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to highlight all this and I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to change it to where it says left to right, left of station character. And then I'm going to push it over. I'm going to go OK. What this should do is take away the plus 00. Apply and OK. Apply and OK. And that's how you set it. Now, notice this little tick mark? The tick mark has to do with, I'm going to go ahead and, hopefully it won't crash on me. I'm going to click on it, right click, Edit Band Style. I'm still working on the stations. I'm still working on the major station, Compose Label. Now, what I want has to do with how the line looks. Notice that there is a tick. I completely clicked on the wrong one. Cancel. This tick mark right here actually has to do with the Profile View Properties. So I'm going to click on Profile View Properties. The Profile View Properties allows you to put a title on the bottom of the object. It affects your horizontal axis and your vertical axis. The horizontal axis has a tick size that has an offset that I need to get rid of, or I need to adjust. So the tick size, it says it's 0.2 and it has an offset. I'm going to reduce that size to 0.02 because I don't really even want a tick. So I'm going to apply and notice how it completely goes away. So this tick size has the effect of the bottom mark. Now I can also adjust, notice how it has minor tick intervals that I could apply also down here on the bottom, but I'm not going to. So I'm just going to change the tick size. If my text height was not part of the band style, I could affect the text height here also. But right now I'm just working with the ticks. The vertical axis also tells you what interval you want to put the information at. So every 5 feet, and it'll have a tick mark every 1 foot. So I'm going to click Apply and OK. And that's how I adjust the axis. Now, this Valencia Road, where that information comes from, that's what we called it. I'm going to right-click on the profile and go Profile View Style. So underneath the title, that's what this is saying. The title information is based on this, and its location is 1.5 inches below the actual profile. So you can modify this as you go along. But I only wanted to discuss how to get rid of the ticks and how to adjust our band style. So apply and OK. The other thing with this band style is, as I've been going over other videos, is that you can actually have, and I'm just going to click on Compose Label, you can actually change the text height in here too. So I could have changed to something smaller or larger. We can also change the components information, so finished grade elevation and where it's located. Notice that it's got an X offset and a Y offset. So that's actually trying to show you, locate where this information is located on your profile itself. So the X and Y location is from a 0 mark, for example. This station line, it's you know, a 1/4 inch in the X direction and a 1/4 inch in the Y direction off the center, off the station mark. All right, that's it for this video.